Fatima!
Hey.
What are you recording?
Prom with Karen. Can I ask you a question? Why do you want to go to prom with Karen?
Why not go to prom with Karen?
Start driving Laura. I don't even care. I go to prom with Karen because she's hot. Look at her.
Oh yeah, I'm so hot right now.
And because she's nice and she's funny and she knows how to dance, which is a major plus.
Hey guys, I'm going to tell you why you should go to prom with Karen. One, if you really like to shake your groove, Karen is the perfect partner for that.
Why you should go to prom with Karen. See? If you want this on your shoulder.
That's a cut.
That's pretty much it.
So why do you want to go to prom with Karen?
Because you told me to.
Okay, thanks. Why do you think Karen's a good prom date?
Karen's a good prom date because she likes to dance and she's really fun. And if you're too sleepy to drive, she can drive you home.
She makes very good fudge.
It's a good prom
She
date.
can dance.
What else?
She knows how to tango and stuff.
Oh yeah, want a preview?
Yeah, sure.
Why do you think Karen's a good prom date?
Because she already knows how to dance.
Brian?
Fun, like Karen-ish. Why you should go with Karen to prom? She can line dance. Ready, go. I'm here
Yeah, but the thing is, see, that's a bad question because
I've never been on a date with you.
I know, but it's like, I'm such a close friend of mine. I know, I'm just...
Don't get the wrong idea. I know it's a run night, but
That's a good.
I'm just a name is tight. Put me in your spotlight. I can talk this all night long, only if we take it right.
That is not what I'm about. Remember that I'm acting out. That is how I strategize. So hold your breath for the surprise.